Good morning. It is Friday, the 28th of July, 2023, and I'm just going to recap yesterday's beautiful gold trade and what happened yesterday at 8:30 a.m. news, and then cover the setups for today. We have core PCE price index at 8:30. That's the high impact news, and then we have some other releases, Michigan 5-year inflation expectation, personal spending, all of that happening across 8:30 to 10 a.m. I will be trading tonight around 9:30 at the index open, but I want to cover yesterday's gold trade first. We had a beautiful setup here on the 1 hour. We're sitting here at supply. We grinded up to this area, and the news came in, and we immediately had this push to the downside, which we got into a little bit late, but nonetheless it was a $30 move all the way down here. And trading on the 5-minute, using the 60 moving average here, I kept in, stayed and took a chunk out the middle, and then it actually exceeded. So what I've actually done here is change the ribbon to these inputs 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, all the way to 23, and that gives me a nice tight price cloud over the price bars. But yeah, beautiful trade on gold yesterday. I had to take a look at how the other basket looked against that USD move, and everything was quite a clean drop. You can see on Euro USD here, a very clean drop as well. Pound, another clean drop. So everything kind of put that beautiful trend in against the news yesterday, which was specifically GDP and GDP price index. We had core durable goods. We had a lot of stuff, initial jobless claims, but GDP came out. So we had this big smash to the downside. Okay, the actual was 2.2%, worse than expected GDP. So the USD took a hit there. Oh, sorry. Where am I? Other currencies took a hit. Let me just look at this here. Okay. Anyway, we had USD strength yesterday. With this big push here on the DXY, USD strength across the basket to the upside. So, 1 second. So I love trading gold at 8:30 on big news releases. I've got another big bunch of news at 8:30 this morning. We'll see what happens. It might kick straight back up, fill this imbalance to the left. We'll see what happens at the open. But generally, after a big move like that, we kind of get a chill for the day in between, and then a push back up the day after. So I'm not holding my breath there. What else has been happening? It's oil. Didn't get much of a kick on oil yesterday. US 30 had a fall. Nasdaq had a nice collapse in the afternoon. Beautiful clean drop here on the NAS in the afternoon. Similar later on in the day. And yeah, for today's session, I really don't know what to make of this, to be honest. Today, I just think that we have this here might take a couple of days to come back up. I think it might pop on Monday or Tuesday next week. So I'm not holding my breath. I want to see. I'll come back and see if there is a trend going and jump on it. US 30 has pulled back. Dipped beneath this area of demand here at 35,200. Again, after a move like this, I dare say I would see like a little bit of a day of consolidation before we get another move back to the upside. So I'm not holding my breath for any big moves tonight. I'm going to just check my phone and see if it's worth coming back to trade 9:30 a.m. Sorry. NAS 100 again. Yeah, just chilling at the moment through the middle here. This run is just stalled at the moment, but by no means is it over. We see we're sitting in the ribbon here and nicely, kicking back out of that. So maybe a bit of consolidation or a nice kick today. I'll probably be looking at NAS for an opportunity today, for a kick back to the upside through here. It likes to swing through itself a lot. So see what happens here, and if we fill this area back up to the area supply and even greater than that, we'll see what happens this Friday. So waiting for 9:30 for that. But yeah, in the meantime, yesterday's trade was fantastic. News at 8:30 a.m. today and news at 10. Happy trading, and look forward to seeing you guys maybe later tonight, but if not next week. Cheers.